If you want to make the setup and the configuration for the payment calendar for account receivable or accounts payable, we will take now how we can make the setup and the configuration for payment calendar which related to customers, the account receivable from account receivable module. Okay, payment setup, payment calendar. You have to come here first, click new. For example, payment calendar, it will be for KSA calendar. Okay, here it's the location calendar, which if you select yes here, so the country region here, you have to select for which country. For all your legal entities, you don't have to select this location calendar. If you select the location calendar here, come here in country region here, for example, Saudi Arabia. Okay, what is the standard business week here? Days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Sunday. Exception days, if you need to add exception days, you can click add here and select the related to the physical calendar. What is the date? For example, for holidays, this date, for example, is 12 December, which it is date give you. What is the type of exception? Is business day or holiday? If it's holiday here, enter the description for holiday and click save. Okay, once you finish, close screen. So now if you need to create new payment calendar from account receivable payment setup payment calendar here, click new, enter here. If it's one payment calendar for all legal entity will be default for all legal entities. So you will not have to select here the location calendar and you don't have to select the country. Here, default calendar, okay, default payment calendar. Here select the standard business days. Okay, and there's exception days here. You can select the physical calendar and as exception days, whatever is business day or is holiday. Once you finish, click save. After you create the payment calendar, you have to make the payment calendar configuration from account receivable or accounts payable also. Payment setup, payment calendar configuration. Here, click new. Here, what is the calendar? For example, KSA, for example, for Saudi Arabia, like this. What is the type for the calendar rule? Specific, you have to select which is specific for specific payment calendar, customer vendor locations, which mean it's related to any customer and the vendors for a specific location or company location. I will select specific, for example, and click create rule. Okay. So here you after when you select specific here is in the rule type, here in this area you can find here the payment calendar. You have to select which payment calendar. Here I select for Saudi Arabia case. If you need to assign method of payment or terms of payments related to this payment calendar, you can also assign here which is specific. Okay. After that, you have to click active to activate this. Before you can go to prioritization rules here, and this is if there is any here priority for the payment calendar rules, you can find it here and move up and move down. And here is the calendars. You can find the calendar is KSA for Saudi Arabia. After that, go back to define rules and click activate to the calendar. Then click save. If you want to create new one, I will select here, for example, default. For example, I can click it Control C, Control V. I will select the rule type is customer and vendor location, create rules. Okay, so you can find here, you see, you will not find here the terms of payments and the method of payments which we selected in the specific type. Okay, here you can find here what is the priorities. Here is document bank accounts and the primary address. You can move up anyone as your needs. After that, here you can find here the rules and there's a calendar. Select the calendar, then click save.